Is your screen flickering while you are just trying to get things done? It's super annoying, but don't worry, you are in the right place. In today's video, I will show you how to quickly fix screen flickering on your Windows system in just a few easy steps. So let's get started. Screen flickering generally happens due to one of two reasons: a problem with your graphics driver or a glitch in a specific app or software. To figure out which one is causing the issue, follow this simple test. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete or by searching Task Manager in the Start menu. Once it's open, observe your screen. If Task Manager is also flickering, it's likely a graphics driver issue. If everything else flickers except Task Manager, the problem is likely with a software or an application. If the problem is with your graphics driver, here's what you should do. Ask yourself, have you recently updated Windows or the driver? Right click on Windows Start. Then click on Settings. Now click on Windows Update. Click Check for updates. Windows 10 and 11 often updates driver automatically during system updates. If yes, you may need to roll back the driver. Search for Device Manager and open it. Expand the Display Adapter section. Right click on each driver listed and select Properties. Under the Driver tab, click on Rollback Driver if the option is available. Select a reason and click Yes. Do this for each listed display driver, then restart your system. If no, then try updating the driver instead. Again, go to Device Manager. Right-click your display adapter and select Update Driver. Now choose Search automatically for drivers. This will download the latest driver from the internet. If you see the message, Windows has successfully updated your drivers, the update was completed successfully. If the flickering is caused by a specific app or program, here's how to troubleshoot. Think about any recent apps you have installed. A newly installed or outdated app could be the culprit. To fix it, update the app if an update option is available in its settings. If that doesn't work, uninstall the app and then reinstall the latest version from the official website. In my case, I have installed the graphics driver. That's why I uninstalling and reinstalling it again. Now restart your PC. And that's it. You can fix screen flickering by either rolling back or updating your graphics driver, or by removing faulty apps. Try these methods and let me know which one worked for you. If this video helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes. Thank you. Thanks for watching.